All right, in this video, we'll learn how to solve this challenge, the two-sum challenge from Codewars. Basically, you get an array and a target number, and you have to return the first array of the indexes where the numbers sum up to the target, and they have to be different indexes. Like for this one, it should return 0 and 1, because 0 and 1 can add up to 4, but so can 0, 0, and 1, 1, but they have to be different. Okay, so we need this one or this one. It's actually pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, I want to make a copy of this target array because I want to use array.shift. So I'm going to say const copy is equal to the spread operator of an array. And this will copy it. All right. Okay. So second of all is our final answer. Const final is equal to an empty array. Okay. Now I'm going to use a while loop. Let me disable the autosave. So while, and then we're just going to run while our final.length is less than 2, right? Because we're done once it finds the first 2 indexes. Okay, and then now we can say const, our current value, will be equal to the copy array. So copy.shift, and shift will remove the first array. Okay, so our strategy is we're going to remove the first array, the first value of the array, and compare it with the rest of the array. Okay, and then now I'm going to say const match will be equal to, and then now I'm going to use copy.find. Remember, the ES6 find method will actually return the value itself, and if not, it will return undefined if it cannot find anything. Okay, so we're going to find the number where the number plus our current value will be equal to our target value from here, right? And then under here, we can say, hey, if it actually found a match, so if match is not equal to undefined, that means it found something, okay? So if it found something, then we're going to say, hey, so that means our const first index will be equal to, now, remember, we have to use the original array. It has to be equal to arr.index of, the index of what? The index of the current value, okay? Now, what's our second index? Const second index will be equal to arr.index of, and now we're going to find the index of the match, okay? But this will give us duplicates. For example, this one, it will return 0, 0. So we have to search it after the first index, right? So remember, index of has 2 arguments. The second argument will tell it where to start searching. So where should we start searching? We should start from the first index plus 1. Okay? Now, when we have both of those, we can simply do final.push, first index, and second index, like this. And once we push this in, the while loop itself will exit because the final.length is now 2. Okay? And let me see. Let's console.log our final. Okay, and I save, and you see that we get 0, 1. Let's put in this one just to be sure. Let's see what we get. We should get 1 and 2, just like it says. Cool, right?